Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to explain how to integrate with Klaviyo using Areviews application. First, let's activate Klaviyo from Areviews, go to integration, then Klaviyo. Click on it. Second step, you have to add Klaviyo key. We will go now to Klaviyo. From Klaviyo website, go to the username, settings, and then API keys. Create new private key, name it whatever you want, give it full access, and click create. Copy the key and insert it in Areviews app and click save token. Wait a little bit until it's saved. Now our app will send two events or metrics, one for new orders and second one after the customer leaving a review. Go to Klaviyo, metrics, you will find the two events. We'll start with time to send review request for new orders. Click on activity feed tab. We'll use all this data to create a flow to send a message. Now let's create flow. Click on create flow button. Click on build your own button and give it any name you want. A review, send review request for new orders. Create. Now we have empty trigger. Let's fill it with our metric. Just a reminder, this one for new orders and this one after the user write a new review. I will click on this one and save confirm. I will use email action. You can use WhatsApp or whatever you want. Set template. I will choose any template here, just random one. Use. I will teach you the basics. First, you can click here, review, and see our properties data. For example, if I want to set items, let's say image URL, I will go to table. As you see here, let's set the image first. I will go to style and make it dynamic. And you have row collection. Now I will paste what we copied here. We only need these two. Events item. Now here we write item. This one will be act like we are inside the loop. So basically we are here or here. So you only have to write item dot review underscore URL and that title, that ID, whatever you want. And you click on the image, select image, and use dynamic image as item dot image URL. I believe it was like this. Let's click preview and test. As you see, it's repeating. Let's add the title. Let's say here, same idea. Go to preview, title here, copy, and I will remove this one and paste text only. I will remove this and make it item. Also will remove the event, just item dot the key you want, title, ID, whatever it is. Let's preview, and here is the title. As you see, exactly like the dummy data we sent, and this is the URL. You can try anything you want. For review URL, this will be added in write review button to take user to write review page in our website. So it is very important. Let's write like this, write review. We will just add a link as we did. Remove it. Remove all extra data. We only need item. That's the key. Apply. And preview and test. As you see, the link is correct. As you see, this is very limited because dynamic usually used with table only. So we can use an AI to create template for us, small template. I will show you briefly. Alright, fast prompt for AI, just a minute. Okay, here's a small prompt, which is very basic, just for demonstration. Okay, I will copy everything here, just this data. Okay, here is my just wait. Okay, let's finish the code. I will copy it, go to Klaviyo again, add a new section. At the top I will just drop anything like text, click on it and source code, and paste everything here. Okay, and click preview. Okay, it's not correct. I will just copy any data here and give it to the AI. Okay, I told him it is not working, and give him the correct format and wrote it again. Let's test it again. Click on it and paste everything again. Apply and preview. As you see, it's working now. So you can use AI and improve it as much as you want. You just need to create your own template using AI, which give you more flexibility and control over the templates. I hope this helped you, and thank you very much.